Welcome to maidcv.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Sheila Sobrero. I'm 37 years old. I have 2 kids from Philippines.
Who's taking care of your children?
My mother, who take care of my
Your mother. Okay, so what is your visa right now?
working visa now.
Working visa. When will it expire?
It will expire in March 21, 2014.
Okay. Please describe your present job.
Actually, I'm a housekeeper and a babysitter. I'm looking for 2 kids and I work the whole house. I'm cleaning all around, like cooking, cleaning, ironing, all the
How old are the children?
2 months.
Yeah, they're two, but how old are they?
The one is 3 years old and one is 5 months old.
Oh, 5 months old. Okay, describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, you're going to clean the toilet. How are you going to clean it?
By cleaning toilet, move all the dirt, and then in the bowl of the toilet, put this dash, that pincer, and then scrub it nicely. After that, rinse some water and wipe the clean clothes and dry it. And also the bathtub. See? To wipe also.
So,
And then after cleaning that, put all the clean materials in the toilet.
okay. How about the bedroom? How are you going to clean the bedroom?
By cleaning the bedroom, for example, remove all the dirt, bed sheets, pillows, this curtain, then wipe it, all the this table, side table, and then put a new bed sheet and curtain.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm cooking Arabic food like biryani, pilau, makbush, and other.
Okay, so can you follow instruction in cookbook? In cookbooks, can you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
Me, I'm a simple housemaid. I'm honest. I can do all my job nicely.
Okay. So please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
To my future employer, I ask to.
Okay. What's your message? They should hire you because?
I want to see another job and look for a nice one.
Okay. That's it? That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you very much for maidcv.com. Thank you.